Overall, I really enjoyed my virtual field experience. There were some challenges. It took me a little bit to be put into a break room with a student, but eventually I made it there and I was able to read with the student and get to know a little bit about them and ask them questions about the reading. While reading, I tried to ask engaging questions to help the student pay attention and also to better their comprehension of what we were reading. We used Zoom to communicate with the students, and we used Epic, which is an online digital library. I really liked having so many different books to choose from. This benefits the students, but also the educator. It can be a great resource when teaching different subjects because there's so many different choices. It was really helpful with the current online learning circumstance because we were both able to see the book while not even being in the same room. Something I might change would have been to pre-read the books and written down some comprehensive questions instead of just coming up with them as I was going. I think I did a good job reading fluidly and enthusiastically as well as communicating with the student. She was really talkative and I seemed to really enjoy the book. So, yeah, that was great. I struggled with hearing the student due to the background noise from the classroom, which I think isn't really something I could solve. It's just part of the situation that we're in right now. But I also struggled with coming up with some questions about the book. I was able to come up with questions, but I questioned myself on whether they were helpful or not. This experience really reminded me of how much I enjoy reading and sharing great books with others. I learned how challenging interacting during e-learning can be for both the teachers and the students. But yeah, it really reminded me of how much I enjoy reading and spending time with kids and seeing them learn. And here are the resources I used.